Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. To begin with the process, first we'll write the name of the logo. Next, select different types of typeface that suits best with your company. I think I'll go with this one. Next, with the help of pencil tool, let's manipulate our typeface. By the end of this video, I will give a brief review that how did I end up choosing this typeface and this logo. Till then, just watch the process. Okay, so let me add some tracking, and I feel like I should have changed this typeface for pastries. I'm not satisfied with this one. Okay, so let's join these manipulated paths through Pathfinder. Okay, here I'll place this motif on top of this one, and I will send this one back of the green one and see the magic, and I will raise the stroke level to create a emblem type effect. Yep, there you go. Let's repeat the same process with this one. So let's discuss our logo. Our task was to design a logo for a venture company that distributes vegan pastries, targeting our senior audience. By definition, a vegan pastry means pastry made with plant-based ingredients excluding animal products. And so I have kept my logo very minimal with only a leaf and green color. Both of these elements shows the presence of plants. And to wrap it up, here's the slideshow. That's it from today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Stay connected.